Hello everyone, welcome to my channel at the Sense of Cooking by Mansi Matai. Today's recipe is sweet corn chaat or sweet corn bhel. For this, we will need black salt, washed sweet corn kernels, finely chopped onions, finely diced capsicum, 1 tablespoon butter, some save for garnishing, chopped cucumber, green chutney. The link of green chutney is mentioned in the description box and the link of Imli chutney is also mentioned in the description box below. Now for making this chaat, first boil the sweet corns in the water. Make sure that you boil the sweet corns on medium flame only. And now boiling, add the butter, as by adding the butter the gloss will also come in that sweet corn and they won't become dry after keeping it for some time. Boil them on medium flame. After the sweet corns have been boiled, now in a mixing bowl add the sweet corn, chopped onions, capsicum, cucumber, chutney, green chutney and imli chutney, black salt, then mix it properly. Now if you want to add something extra, then you can add sprouts or boiled chana also. After mixing, add some save into it and then mix again. Now with the remaining save, garnish it and serve this to your loved ones. Happy cooking! It's very tempting. Chatpata, tikha. What else do you want in this rainy season? Enjoy! And please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more amazing videos. Like it and share it. Thanks for watching.